All right, so we made it here to Sicily. We are in the town of Taormina, just walking around, seeing all the beautiful sights. A lot of people, way more than I was expecting. I thought it was going to be a small town. So we're going to explore the streets and alleys. We're going to get some food, try out the local stuff, and just have a good time while we're here. So I was chatting with some Italians and I learned an expression that's specific to Sicily. It's Ciao Bedda, and basically this means hello beautiful. So I'm gonna try it on some people and see what they say. Ciao Bedda.
I think it works.
Yes.
Ciao Bedda.
Ciao.
Hey. Ciao Bedda.
Ciao.
Okay. Ciao Bedda.
Oh, molto bene.
Did you not fit? Wow. Ciao Bedda. I'm looking at
Oh no, that's all great.
They don't give you as much.
Y'all addicted to ice cream.
Yeah, this is pretty awesome.
Oh.
Got my
They
favorites.
have
Pistachio, Stracciatella, and try something new. Mint chocolate chip. It's really good. Yeah, you want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Amarena.
That's what I'm talking about.
Fabulosis.
Woo! That's good. Sweet.
Brain.
I think I got a mixture of lemon, orange, and something else. It's delicious.
So I got fragola, which is strawberry, and it's really sweet. I like it better than my mom's, who was too tangy, too tart. It's also why I didn't like the lemon sorbetto and amapi. But you know, the granite I can do. But I think I'd rather have gelato. Parli italiano?
Sì.
Ciao Bedda.